Hey everybody, Mike with Enviroscape LA. So giving you an update. We finished. This is one of our latest projects. You can see there's the grapes. This is such an amazing food forest. Here's a avocado tree. This is a lemon guava tree. Check out, this was already existing, but we put lots of fertilizer on it, citrus fertilizer, so it thing is just going bonkers. It's a Eureka lemon. This plant, guess what it is? It's actually watermelon. Check out that big boy. And we've got some Mexican marigolds here. We've got the native milkweed. It's like a native milkweed patch, along with some, over there, there's some yarrow, like our native garden here. And then as we go up, all these planters got built. This was just a empty hillside, so it got retained, and so now it's usable. You can see here it's got the gravel pathway, and then the railroad ties just to kind of do the retaining. So we have some black kale here. That we have, these are not natives, are from Australia. They're, but they are very, very super drought tolerant. And the lamandra grasses is what they're called. And here, this was just soil. Actually did a YouTube video just showing how this was just soil at one point. And now it's actually a really cool outdoor living area with DG. Concrete set in. Those are all new benches, all new concrete retaining walls. Got the lights up. And then the more lamandra grasses. We got the rainbird drip irrigation. These are the valves. And we've actually got a blank wall. Now, nothing was done here because we put some passion vines. These passion vines, in a year or two, they're going to completely cover this entire wall. And so they're going to have a passion vine wall. And so moving down to our food forest with California friendly plants and native plants. This is a pear tree. And then we have some steps, some more natives, yarrow, ceanothus, Fremont dendron, the big pretty beautiful blooms. It's actually a small tree. Check out the passion flower flower, and then there's the fruit right there. Big green thing turns purple. Ceanothus. We got some more. Here's the Sambuca nigra. It's the elderberry, and it looks like a scapulus got in there too. It's the food for the monarch butterfly. So we'll have to cut that down in the wintertime. And then check out the flowering banana trees. These are the calliandras, along with so they're going to provide a 20-foot barrier between them and the neighbors. We've got a pineapple guava along with the pomegranate. More melons. In fact, this melon's kind of taken over the pineapple guava. Pineapple guava. Native milkweed, that's what we love to see. And we see there's purple kale, which is actually edible, but it's actually beautiful if you don't eat it. And then here's the retaining that was done, like the stairways that you can go to maintain your garden. And then here's a really cool surprise. Strawberries. Yep, lots of them. Going bonkers. These are really happy campers, especially teaching kids about how important it is to be responsible to our planet. The reason I'm here today, check this out. What is that? They're gopher mounds. So I got the call to come by today, but I just want to share to everybody how amazing this place looks. Here's another gopher pile. So the little gophers, they're little animals that live under the ground. They like to chew on the roots of your plants and for food, but unfortunately it kills the plants. So I'm going to show you how we're going to deal with that. More gophers. Ooh. More strawberries. Yum. And so check out the retaining on here. Just wonderful how this retaining turned out. This ginormous tomato plant. And then got some corn up there. I'd call this a really cool food forest. there was not much here, but what's cool is that the adults could be at the very top with a glass of wine and some friends, and then the kids could actually be down here playing. We left the play structures just for the kids, and obviously there's dog with burn spots, so definitely dog. So how we're gonna deal with it is we don't want to kill the little critters, the gophers. You know, I believe there's something called a HIMSA where it's, you know, non-violent, so we don't want to necessarily kill them. What we want to do is we just want to tell them no vacancies here. So this is we're going to splice this little machine into their sprinklers. Here's the parts that come with it. I'll do a little video at the time we're doing it. Then we're going to fill this. So this will get spliced into the irrigation system, and then once it turns on, it's going to push out this stuff right here called Critter Max. See that? The active ingredient, it's organic, certified organic, and it's castor oil. That's all it is. Well, it turns out that gophers are extremely sensitive to castor oil. They hate the smell. It's like humans with skunks. Yeah, you just don't want to mess with it. So that's what we're going to do here. And then it's going to just tell the gophers, not in my yard. So just wanted to share this with you. It's absolutely wonderful. Food forest with native plants. Doesn't get better than this, folks. Hopefully this is inspiring you. If you have a tiny little piece of land, backyard, front yard, you can do something similar to this too. Micro spray irrigation, and it works because everything's growing. Thanks for joining, folks. Mike with Enviroscape LA. When you think of permaculture, food forest, think Enviroscape LA.